Hello everyone, it is Andrea. How are you doing? Another beautiful summer day up here in the mountains of the United States. Have you ever caught yourself recently daydreaming? Letting your mind wander in kind of a hypnosis zen-like state, where all of a sudden your mind brings back memories, thoughts, people who've moved on, passed on, moved away. Have you ever stopped and took a moment, sat outside in nature and just listened to the sounds of nature? The chipmunks chirping, the birds tweeting, and just the summer breeze coming as the sun-kissed hits your cheek. I think of this all the time as I make the attempt to quiet my mind. Whether it's lying down on a couch for a few moments, stepping outdoors into the summer sun and the breeze, being attentive to the sounds around me, utilizing my five senses. Sense of sight, smell, taste, touch. It's just glorious. Allow yourself to take a moment in your day. Regardless of the weather conditions, dress accordingly and get outside and start to daydream. Allow your imagination to run wild, no filter, and just reminisce. Reminisce about your childhood, the good parts. Reminisce about an old friend, the good ones. Reminisce about the magic, memorable memories that you have made. Once you get into that Zen state, it's a hypnotic state of gratitude, appreciation, love, abundance, and all things that make you smile and laugh, whether it be people, events, occurrences, sights, sounds, and you know my most favorite, music. Don't be afraid to daydream. Because if you daydream, you're tapping into your jovial self and allowing your creative mind to expand and to explore. Lose yourself in the music, you lose yourself in the moment, lose yourself in the magic that the mind creates. Start creating a colorful cartoon, if you will, a colorful image. Bring back to your childhood days of your most fondest memory. The scent of the perfume or the cologne that a family member has worn. Take yourself in your mind to that amazing space of serenity, happy, love, and joy, and allow yourself to relive these memorable, magical moments as your frequency rises. And on that note, my friends, I encourage you to use your imagination and creativity, to daydream, and to spark your intuition and develop and create something new. My name is Andrea Mason, your certified global voice under the mentorship of Dr. Les Brown and your personal accountability coach, reminding you every single day, you have the choice to press play. I'll see you there.